Hello and welcome back to Speak English Daily Story Channel. We are so happy you are here with us today. I'm Alex.
And I'm Lima. On this channel, we make simple and speak English videos to help you speak English every day with confidence.
If you are new here, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
It really helps us, and it helps other learners find this lesson too.
Today's lesson is very special.
Today, we are talking about one small word that English speakers use all the time.
That word is get.
We will learn how to use get, gets, got, getting, and will get.
We will practice listening.
We will practice speaking.
We will learn real sentences people use every day.
And we will have long, natural conversations.
Don't worry, we will go slowly. We will make it easy.
Are you ready?
Let's begin.
So, Alex, let me ask you something. How do you get to work every day?
I usually get the train. I get the train at 8:15 in the morning.
Oh, nice. I usually get the train.
And when you arrive at work, what is the first thing you get?
Coffee. Always coffee. I get a coffee before I do anything else.
Same here. I can't work without coffee.
So you see, already we are using the word get naturally.
We use it for transportation. We use it for buying. We use it for daily life.
That's why this word is so important.
The word get has many meanings.
This is why learners find it confusing.
But don't worry, we will learn it step by step.
Let's start with the main meanings.
Meaning 1. Receive or obtain. When someone gives you something, you get it.
For example, I get emails every day. I got a message yesterday. I will get my salary tomorrow.
You can get a message, a call, a gift, a letter.
When you buy something, we often say get.
For example, I need to get some milk. Can you get bread from the shop? I got lunch on the way to work.
Very common. Very natural.
This is one of the most important uses. When something changes, we use get plus adjective.
For example, I'm getting tired. It's getting cold. She got angry. He's getting better at English.
This means you were not tired, now you are tired. You get tired.
We use get for travel.
For example, get on the bus. Get off the train. What time do you get to work? I got here at 9.
This one is very common in conversation.
For example, do you get it? I don't get this question. Oh, now I get it. It means understand.
Let's look at the present tense.
We use get with I, you, we, they.
For example, I get up at 7. You get tired easily. We get coffee every morning. They get the bus.
We use gets with he, she, it.
For example, he gets up early. She gets nervous before exams. It gets dark early in winter.
For questions, we use do or does.
Do you get coffee every morning? Do they get home late? Does he get the train? Does she get tired after work?
The past of get is got. Easy. Same for everyone. I got a message. You got a gift. He got the job. We got home late.
We use did. Did you get my email? Did she get the job? Did they get home safely?
We use getting for something happening now, something changing now.
For example, I'm getting hungry. It is getting dark. They are getting ready.
For the future, we use will get.
For example, I will get the tickets tomorrow. She will get there at 6. We will get in touch soon.
Now let's have a natural conversation. Listen carefully. So, how was your morning? Busy. I got up late today. Really? What time did you get up? Around 7:30. I usually get up at 6. Why so late? I got to sleep very late last night. Oh no. So you're getting tired now? Yes, a little. But I got a strong coffee, so I'm okay. Where did you get your coffee? I got it from the cafe near the station. Oh, I know that place. How do I get there? You get the number 12 bus and get off at Park Street. Perfect. I'll get there tomorrow. Did you get much work done today?
Yes, I got through all my emails.
That's great. Are you getting better at managing your time?
I think so. I'm getting more organized.
Did you get any phone calls?
Yes, I got a call from my sister.
Oh? What happened?
She's getting married.
That's wonderful.
She got engaged last week.
When will they get married?
In June. I need to get a suit.
Now let's go through essential phrases you must know.
Daily life. Get up, get dressed, get ready, get home.
Transportation. Get on the bus, get off the train, get in the car, get out of the taxi.
Health. Get sick, get better, get well soon.
Work. Get a job, get hired, get fired, get promoted.
Relationships. Get married, get divorced, get along.
Phrasal verbs. Get together, get back, get away, get over, get through, get by.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after us. I get up at 7.
I got home late. I am getting tired. I will get there at 6.
I don't get it. Now I get it.
Let's get started. I need to get going.
Wow, we talked a lot about get today.
You learned present, past, future, conversation, phrases, real examples.
You did a great job.
You did a great job.
Remember, you don't need to get everything perfect.
Just get a little practice every day.
Small steps get you to big results.
Before you go, here is today's question.
What is one thing you need to get from the shop this week?
Write your answer in the comments. We read every comment.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you next time on English the Natural Way.
Bye for now. Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Daily Story Channel.
This is our second reading of today's lesson. In this part, we will speak more slowly. We will use simple sentences. We will repeat important ideas.
This reading will help you understand better, remember more, and feel more confident.
Relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the lesson.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Lima.
Today, we are talking about the word get.
The word get is very common in English. We use it every day.
You hear it at home. You hear it at work. You hear it with friends.
That is why learning get is very important. In this second reading,
we will explain slowly. We will give easy examples. We will repeat again and again. Let's begin.
The word get has many meanings. Do not worry. You do not need to remember everything at once. We will learn step by step.
When someone gives you something, you get it. For example,
I get emails every day. Yesterday, I got an email from my boss.
You can say, I got a message, I got a call, I got a gift. This means receive.
When you buy something, you can say get.
For example, I need to get some milk. I need to get bread. I got lunch near my office. In spoken English, we say get, not buy.
This is very important. When something changes, we use get plus adjective.
For example, I am getting tired. It is getting cold. She got angry.
This means before, not tired, now, tired. You get tired.
We use get for travel.
For example, I get on the bus. I get off the bus. What time do you get to work? I got home late.
When you understand something, you say, I get it. If you do not understand, you say, I don't get it. This is very common in English.
Now, let's review the present tense again. Use get with I, you, we, they.
Examples. I get up at 7. You get tired easily. We get coffee every morning. They get home late.
Use gets with he, she, it.
Examples. He gets up early. She gets nervous. It gets dark early.
We use do or does.
Do you get the bus? Do they get lunch at work?
Does he get tired? Does she get home late?
The past of get is got. Very easy.
Examples. I got a message yesterday. She got the job. We got home at 10.
We use did. Did you get my email? Did she get the gift? Did they get home safely?
We use getting for things happening now.
Examples. I am getting hungry. It is getting dark. They are getting ready. This shows change.
For the future, we say will get.
Examples. I will get the tickets tomorrow. She will get there at 6. We will get in touch soon.
How was your day? Good, but busy. I got up late today.
Oh, that is late for you.
Yes, I got to sleep late last night.
So now you are getting tired, right?
Yes, I am getting tired. Did you get coffee?
Yes, I got coffee from the cafe. Where is the cafe?
Near the station.
How do I get there?
You get the bus and get off at Park Street.
Did you get much work done today?
Yes, I got through all my emails.
That's good. Are you getting better at your job?
Yes, I think I am.
Now let's review common phrases again.
Morning. Get up. Get dressed. Get ready.
Travel. Get on the bus. Get off the train. Get home.
Health. Get sick. Get better. Get well soon.
Work. Get a job. Get hired. Get promoted.
Social. Get together. Get along.
Phrasal verbs. Get back. Get over. Get through. Get going.
Now repeat slowly. I get up at 7. I got home late. I am getting tired. I will get there at 6.
I don't get it. Now I get it. Let's get started. I need to get going. Good job.
You are doing very well. Learning English takes time. Do not rush.
You do not need to get everything right. Just try to get a little practice every day. 5 minutes is enough. 10 minutes is great.
You are getting better step by step. Before you go, think about this question.
What do you need to get from the shop this week? Milk? Bread? Vegetables?
Write your answer in the comments. Thank you for learning with us. We are happy to get through this journey with you.
See you next time on Speak English Daily Story Channel. Bye for now.